Coral reefs are an underwater ecosystem characterized by reef-building corals. They are formed of colonies of coral polyps held together by calcium carbonate. Sometimes called rainforests of the sea, shallow coral reefs form some of Earth's most diverse ecosystems. They occupy less than 0.1% of the world's ocean area, yet they provide a home for at least 25% of all marine species. Coral reefs have declined by 50% since 1950, partly because they are sensitive to water conditions. Sadly, the corals are dying. This is a bleached coral. The white color is no more than its skeleton devoid of polyps that once kept it alive. They are under threat from excess nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus, rising ocean heat content and acidification. Overfishing, sunscreen use, and harmful land use practices, including runoff and seeps, are also harmful to this ecosystem. Sadly, it's a billions of years ecosystem that can be totally lost in a few decades. Welcome to our channel, and join us in this wonderful world that is still full of color and life. For how long? We don't know yet. On our liveaboard in the Red Sea, our skipper Mohammed sailed the Emperor Elite during the night, from the Beacon Rock where we dived in the wreck of Dunraven, entering the Strait of Tehran, until reaching 3 reefs full of life and color: Gordon, Thomas and Jackson Reefs. Blue is endless. The light crosses the waters at great depths with amazing visibility. But the colors are being filtered along the descent. If it weren't for some fill lights from our Gopros, everything would look like a vast gradient of blues. Corals teem with life. Thousands of colorful fish species delight our eyes as we enjoy the freedom to hover over the alien landscape. Gorgonias ventulina are huge, and like a giant fan, they sway gently. The ideal is to be well above the corals, with a buoyancy capacity and an excellent trim to avoid damaging in seconds what hundreds of years took to create. Visits to the reefs are always something extraordinary and surreal, and attracts a lot of underwater tourism. In addition to our group, we came across a massive amount of divers from various parts of the world. We hope you had fun seeing the diversity of fauna and how enriching it is to visit these wonders of our fantastic planet. We also hope that we have managed to convey how important it is to preserve our corals, even if it is in our little everyday things. If everyone contributes to less pollution or avoids CO2 emissions into the atmosphere as much as possible, recycling our waste and buying environmentally friendly sunscreens will certainly make all the difference. Because the ocean is made of drops, but all of them are important for an entire ocean. If we are a drop in a crowd that does the same, we will certainly have a better world and our reefs will thank you. Visiting these reefs in the Red Sea is a must for any diver, but dive with due respect and reduce the impact of your visit. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comment.